Hey guys, we're going to be doing question number 5 on the study guide. The question number 5 is the formal charge on nitrogen, and this nitrogen structure is what? So we need to find the formal charge on this nitrogen. There are two ways we can do this, so we're going to do the math way first though. So if you don't remember, the formula for valence electrons, or the formal charge is the number of valence electrons minus the number of electrons not in a bond on nitrogen, so non-bonding, minus the number in a bond over 2. So for nitrogen, this is going to be the number of valence electrons, so that's 5, minus the number of bonds, so there's none on nitrogen, no non-bonding on nitrogen, minus the number in a bond, so 2, 4, 6, 8 over 2. And that's going to equal 5 minus 4, which is going to equal positive plus 1. That is answer choice C. The other way we can go about this is that knowing that nitrogen likes to form 3 bonds. You know that in the periodic table because nitrogen's next to carbon likes to form 4. Go down, and I'll write it out. So it's hydrogen likes to form 1 in this row. Beryllium likes to form 2. Boron likes to form 3 if it's in this column. Carbon likes to form 4. After carbon, you go to nitrogen and you start counting down. Nitrogen likes to form 3, oxygen 2, fluorine 1, neon 0. So you know that. So we know nitrogen likes to form 3. If nitrogen has more than 3 bonds, because it can form more than 3 bonds, but if it has more than 3 bonds, it's going to be plus a positive charge. If it has less than 3 bonds, it's going to have a negative charge. So if nitrogen had 2 bonds and was like this, it have a negative 1 charge. If nitrogen has 3 bonds, it's like this, it has no charge. If nitrogen has 4 bonds, then it has a plus 1 charge. The same holds true for oxygen. So this is actually how you get this 1 more charge right here. This oxygen, if it has 2 bonds like this, has a 0 charge. But these two oxygen, and also you can calculate this if you work it out with the formal charges as we proved for this nitrogen. This is going to stay consistent. But if you work it out with the math, it'll work out too. This oxygen, if it has 1 bond and is like this, is have a negative 1 charge. So there's 2 negative 1 charges and 1 positive 1 charges, 1 positive 1 charge. So when we add this together, this is how we get this negative 1 charge overall for this molecule. Anyway, I hope that helps. If you're confused, just email me. My emails are open till midnight every night. Please don't email me after that. I do have a life. Bye.